Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today it's going to be a very special plan with me, or memory plan with me, because today I'm going to announce my first giveaway here on YouTube. Hopefully the first of many. This has been a really interesting journey here on YouTube. I started this because I wanted to see how it is, to see, why people do this. And I realized that for me, it's because it's my way to get away from a very busy mindset. So I do this on my weekends and I relax and I just put my stickers down while, people are watching. And there are 100 of you watching, 100 plus of you watching every week. And that is so exciting for me. 100 plus subscribers, it's not something that I was expecting to happen so soon. Not the way I do my social media. I believe in organic growth, so I don't push my channel, I don't push my Instagram so much out there as others may do, because I believe that people will find me, people will like me if they like me. I don't have to force myself down their throat. That being said, there are 100 of you here, 100 plus of you here every week watching me put stickers down. And that is really, really exciting. So I am very thankful. And being thankful means that I have the pleasure of giving it back. And by giving it back, I'm going to do a giveaway here on my YouTube channel. And to keep up with the theme of thankfulness, I'm using this beautiful kit from Two Little Bees. It's called Pumpkin Spice. It's a photography kit from August 2018. It's a kit that was meant for Thanksgiving week. I understand that, but I think that for me it's so appropriate to use this kit for this giveaway, for this week that I'm announcing this giveaway. So thank you so much for being here, for every week coming to YouTube to watch me put stickers down and talk about how I do my spreads and how I plan my week, or what goodies I bought in my latest haul. So thank you, thank you, thank you. The details of the giveaway, I will say it now, but I'll repeat at the end of this video, if you watch it until the end. And I will be doing, because of COVID, because of all of the situation we are going through, I think it's appropriate to make sure that you can have your goodies from this giveaway in a straight away kind of situation, and you decide when you want to use them. So I'm not giving away physical items, I'm giving away shop credits. So I've chose a few shops that everyone was talking about on my Instagram. I asked the question, which shop would you want to see on a giveaway for YouTube? And the responses were so awesome, because they were basically the shops that I wanted to purchase from, that I purchased from, and I love. So that was really, really good. We are all on the same mindset, and that is freaking amazing. So I reached out to Maria from Two Little Bees, and because she doesn't have a gift card session on her website, and I thought that I might have missed something, so I reached out to her via email and asked if she had gift cards so I could purchase from her, and she absolutely graciously offered to donate a $20 gift card for the winner of this giveaway. So that's the first shop. It's Two Little Bees, and she's giving you a $20 gift card to her shop. So you can buy, one mini kit, or you can buy 2 Little Bee kits and all of that. So I'm really, really grateful. So thank you so much, Maria. I hope you are watching this. And thank you again. I also am giving $20 gift card for TheCoffeeMonsterzco. I love TheCoffeeMonsterzco. As you can see, I'm gonna be using them today because nothing goes better with a 2 little bit kit than, you know, emojis. I really, really believe in that. So I'm gonna be giving away $20 credit for Helen's shop, TheCoffeeMonsterzco. I will also be giving away $10 gift card to Simply Gilded. It's my passion. You know that I use Simply Gilded in every single spread that I can, and I love her shop, so I purchased a $10 gift card for her shop. I also purchased a $10 gift card for from Once More with Love, because munchkins are also so adorable. And finally, I am giving away a $20 gift card for Etsy, so you can purchase in any Etsy shop that you prefer. And I'm doing gift cards because one, the entire situation of parcels and deliveries is very complicated at the moment. I would hate for an international winner, if that's the case, miss out or get a lost mail, you know, for the items that I had previously thought to give away on when I hit 100 subscribers here. So I just scratched that idea and I'm giving shop credits. That way you can decide when you want to use it, if you want to wait all of this madness to be over with first, or if you want to go straight away, and you can choose what you want. So I think that's really important. And that also allows me to open this giveaway for international customers, international subscribers, because shipping internationally, it is expensive. So I think that it's a better way of letting you, who has the power and who, you know, you are the viewer, you can choose whatever you want, whatever will fit your style and what will work for you. So that's it. I'm getting emotional. But yeah, this is the giveaway. So you're gonna get all of this. Everything will be written down below, and how to enter this giveaway as well. I'll talk about that at the end of the video. But yeah, so let's do this. Anyway, let's do the plan with me. I'm honestly without words. This is the kit. So like I said, pumpkin spice. It's a photography kit from August 2018. I got this one from a grab bag that Maria was having, and it's beautiful. I love photo kits. I really do. I think they look really, really nice on a spread. So you have your full boxes, 3/4 boxes down here. You have your washi strips, you have some icons, you have your headers and your deco headers, and you have your date covers, habit trackers, checklists, half boxes, quarter boxes, more quarter boxes, more deco down at the bottom. So this is a 3-page kit, and it's just absolutely perfect for the way I plan. And like I said, I'm going to be using TheCoffeeMonsterzco because, as you can see, I love it. And they go really well with Maria's kit. I have to say, I think that the pair of them just work. They really work. So let's get this started, and stay tuned until the end to know how to enter this giveaway. Thank you so much again for being here. By whiting out my sidebar, and I use it decoratively, so I will put down the washi from the kit, as well as the Simply Gilded vine and hearts and vine in white and silver. I will also white out all of the dates and use the date covers that came on the kit with the date dots from Rose Colored Days. And they are perfectly perforated on the dot, and that makes it really easy to use them. I put down all of the full boxes with the decorative headers that come on the kit, and I also put some of the to-dos after I put down all of my work emojis. So my work emojis are the little fancy dressed emojis, and I really, really enjoy them. So Monday I put down my coffee Monday, and a driving emoji because I needed to go to the post office, a quarter box with a doodle of a parcel because I needed to message the buyers, as well as a foxy Onzi dressed emoji to mark down that I needed to sleep early. Tuesday, I did multiple posts on Instagram, so I marked it down with a doodle. My kittens got vaccinated that day, so I had to use my cat lady sticker from TheCoffeeMonsterzco. I also got happy mail and I watered my plants on that day. On the Wednesday, I had a doctor appointment, and it's the first time I'm using a doctor emoji. I also bought all of the gifts for this giveaway, and I marked that with a half box. It was also bean night, and I had to call my mom. And I love the flag that comes, the half quarter box with a flag that comes with this kit. On Thursday, I went to the post office again and I messaged a friend of mine. I baked some bread and I love the emoji with the toast, so cute. Um, I also got some vitamins delivered and I watered my plants. On the Friday, I put down a half box with a big, gigantic doodle for junk food because I was bad that day. I also baked cookies and I took care of my kittens. On Saturday, I used a script from Helen with chores and I wrote down all of my chores for that day. I did laundry. It was Simply Gilded release day and I also uploaded a plan with me. On the Sunday, I did my nails. It's press-on nails, no judgment. I filmed, edited, and also wrote down all of the giveaway details. I did some groceries. I had stroganoff for dinner and it was beautiful. And I put down a deco from the kit to mark down that I needed to plan my week ahead on the Sunday night. And that is a wrap for today, guys. I think this spread looks absolutely adorable, as I thought it would be. The emojis just make it just so snuggable. I don't know if that's the word. But yeah, I just want to, stare at it, which is a good thing. So this is what I've came up with, and this is the second half. And I'm really, really happy with it. So thank you for watching, if you watched so far. For the giveaway, so let's talk giveaway. So here is what you need to do in order to be considered for the giveaway. This is open internationally and there is no affiliation with YouTube or any other social media platform. This is my giveaway and I purchased myself the items aside from the gracious donation from 2 Little Bees. So to participate on this giveaway, just be subscribed to my channel. So if you're not, hit the subscribe button and you just need to leave a comment down below saying what is your favorite planner item. So it can be your planner, it can be washi, it can be whatever you feel like it. Just tell me what's your favorite item when it comes to planners, when it comes to planning. Is it a specific brand? Is it a specific shop? Is it a specific artwork? Anything goes. So 2 things you need to do. First, be subscribed to my channel. Second, leave a comment down below on your favorite planner item. And this giveaway will run from the time that this is uploaded, so from the 15th of May up until the 22nd of May, when I will do when I'll close the subscriptions and announce the winner. Now, I will announce the winner on my Instagram, but I will also announce the winner on YouTube. So the giveaway goes from the 15th of May 2020 up until the 22nd of May 2020. So if you want to participate, just do the two things that I've mentioned. Be subscribed and leave a comment on your favorite planner item. I will be posting this on my Instagram as well, so I will be posting the winner on Instagram, and once the winner is announced, you have to contact me on my email for this account, which is samgoesplan@gmail.com. That being said, all of the details of this giveaway will be on the description of this video. So hopefully this will go smoothly. I have no idea if it will, but I hope so. So thank you again so much for being here. It really makes me happy, and I really appreciate your attention, your time, your comments, your likes, and the views. So that is it for the day and for the giveaway. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be more than happy to assist you and answer all of your questions. That being said, stay safe, stay sane, wash your hands, and I love you guys lots. Bye!